Yeah, boo work indeed. Boo work indeed. Ooh. Come on. Okay. Struggle. Ooh, I see Martine's online. Alright, that's probably where we're gonna go. I always raid Martine. Poor Martine. He's very fun to raid. I don't know if I've taken you guys there yet. KV and Josh, but he's a cool sculptor from the UK. Okay. Sculptors are wild to me. I don't know. It just sounds so hard. I can barely sculpt in like Blender in 3D. That's already difficult enough to me. Okay. That was a bad one. Bad stitch. Bad job. I got to undo this. And there we go. Let's improve this a little bit. Let's improve this process a bit. Okay. Oh no! Tragedy has struck. It has snapped in half. R.I.P. May you rest in peace, my little needle threader. This is the greatest tragedy of our times. I only have like 3 of you left. I see Kitty. Kitty's here! Kitty's asleep. She's here and sleeping and being good for now, but she's probably gonna wake up really soon. Like really, really soon. Are you awake? Her eyes are open, you can see them. Also, dank threaders, lol, I know. That was a tragedy. Do not observe my giant box of thread. So yeah, RIP that one. I should get a metal one. I've seen people with metal ones. They look hard to use. Maybe I should just use better needles. But also, what do I know? Nothing. Okay. I'm gonna feel such a pro when I get this method down right, though. I'm gonna be zooming. I kind of like the metal ones. They're harder to find now, though. I've never tried a metal one. I've seen them on other people's streams. They use like the metal ones that aren't this terrible wire thing. But I have never tried one out. I don't understand how they work. I'm sure they're not that hard to comprehend, but my brain just doesn't understand it. Uh-oh. She is waking up. It's happening. Somebody's so... I don't know the word in English. There's a really good word in Arabic for when you just wake up and you're kind of like, it's dazed. Dazed. She's very dazed. Yeah. Arabic adjectives are so good. It's like the best thing of the language is how good are the adjectives. They're very good for describing moods and people, especially people. Sometimes brains do be like, new thing? No thank you, yeah, me. I should try it, and I will if I find one. But I'm not gonna go actively seek it out. Until these all break. When these all break, I will actively seek it out. Because I clearly have a bad track record. Okay. Nice. Border is coming. Whoop. Border is coming along. Slowly, but surely. Alright, since Kitty's waking up, we'll see how long she lasts. since, as previously noted, she's in charge of when the stream ends. Hey, don't do that, please. Hi, please don't do that. What's up? What can I do for you? What can I do for you? She may have decided. Bite. Bites me really hard. Yeah. Kitty mischief. All the time with the kitty mischief. Literally always. She cannot control herself. She must cause some trouble. Observe as she causes some trouble. Observe as she causes chaos in the distance. By which I mean literally right next to me. That is a ball of yeah. Wait, you're right. I have I have multiple things of the same color. They're eventually gonna conglomerate. This one's also made out of a Taiwan beer box, so I should get more plastic ones eventually. But why get plastic when you can just recycle Taiwan beer boxes? Even though they take way more effort. Hopefully Kitty doesn't eat my ball of thread, but we'll see. She ran off. She went to go eat a snack, probably. And then she'll probably be back and just yell at me. Just screaming. Okay. Boop. Nice. 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 Okay. Switch these out. Oh my god, my bookmarks. What a mess. This whole table is such a mess. It's okay. Okay. Okay, maybe we'll just get this tied on and then we'll call it a day. I keep just lying. I'm constantly lying about when these streams end. Okay, come on. We can do it. Maybe I need a different needle. I feel like I'm gonna break this one too. Big box of needles. Give me your guidance. Tell me. Which needle should I use? Be gone. Be gone, thee. Mods. It's me. I am the mod currently. I have another mod, but he's busy. But he do be busy right now. I know. Auto mod can catch so many things I don't want it to catch, but that it can't do. I need to like program it better. I need to mess with auto mod more. With Nightbot specifically. Boop. I'm hearing so many suspicious noises in the distance. Like a kitty doing shenanigans somewhere in this house. Shenanigans are happening.